Hi, everybody. 4 more boxes of Tenders. Tendies, Hobby. Pick your team number 29, 4 box. Another thank you to the man, the myth, the legend, Bernie, 718. He took a lot of this break to the store. All right, let's do a guess. Guess the last auto of the break. Guess the 8th and final auto of this break for 20 bucks. Everybody that watches live on Bled's YouTube should always be taking a guess. It's 20 free bucks, which could get you it's a lot off of an elite team, or it could get you a free team in a lot of breaks. You might as well guess. Doesn't cost you a damn thing to do it. All right, good luck. I do, Louis. Luis, I remember. Good luck. Good luck, guys. To 75, conference finals of De'Aaron Fox. To 199, Mark Price for the Cavaliers. Another, wow. 8 boxes, 2 finals tickets. Unfortunately, it's the wrong ball, but it doesn't matter. That's still really cool. I've barely seen any of these. Now they're starting to pop out. Lonzo, game 7 for Bernie. Number to 7. Benedict. David Roddy variation. What do we have here? Sochan for the Spurs and Maple. One off his jersey number. Finals ticket variation of Sochan. Nice hit, Maple. Jovitz. License or a permit? It's a permit. Permit coming of Tari for Oga. Keegan. That's a rookie. It's probably Blake Wesley. Nope. Wow. Isaiah Mobley doesn't have all the autos. Rookie season ticket of Isaiah Mobley, Cavs. Brother of Evan. Mike Conley finals. 49. Brogdon. There's the hit for the Lakers. Max Christie. Donovan to 75. Playoffs of Giddy. Good Jalen. To 49, David Roddy Grizzlies variation. The finals. Houston. Magic. Variation of... Oh, wait. Why is that backwards? Oh, because they just put it together badly. Nikola, your two-time NBA MVP. Mr. Jokic for the Nuggets. More Jovitz. Nikola Jovitz for the Heat. Afnu gets the hit. 249, Kawhi Leonard. Jalen Duran variation. Jalen Williams. There's a good one. Playoff ticket of Shaden Sharp for the Blazers and Ball in Trading. This kid's a stud. We love our Shaden Sharp. Who's the last auto going to be? Who's the last auto going to be? Devin Booker to 99. AJ. Oh, it's a legend. It's a legend. That's bad. Brad Miller, 199. That's going to be the break. All right, so I'm expecting something massive to come out in the next two breaks. In the next break or the next two breaks, for sure. We're going to see something huge in the next break or two, for sure. It's okay.